While you're living your life, have you ever wondered how the world works? Some will say, it's of no use, go according to the flow, and you will be good anyways. But these people never got to know how interesting the wonders of the cosmos are. So, without any delay, let's start with it. At first, we start with a random ball of mud present somewhere in the universe. Some brainy organisms known as humans named it Earth. They say it was made up with time in billions of years, due to many climate changes, planet crashes, and a lot more. But, to be real, we still don't know the actual reason for the formation of this weird ball of mud. But, thanks to science, even though we cannot predict the past, we can surely analyze the present and future. Our Earth is just not a ball of mud, but rather is made up of many layers which make up a cycle, giving the conditions making it possible for humans to live. Listen closely, for beneath our feet lies a story told in layers. First, the crust, our fragile, ever-shifting home. Beneath it, the mighty mantle, a thick, viscous rock ocean slowly churning. Then, the outer core, a swirling sea of molten iron, giving us our magnetic shield. And finally, at the very heart, the inner core, a solid, scorching hot metal sphere under immense pressure. This piece of mud is still not even 0.01% of our universe. Let's consider Earth as the center of universe and start a journey with respect to it. To be honest, the real journey has not begun. Some planets have some random spheres orbiting around them. Not only Earth, but many planets have their moons. Earth also has artificial moons, or the so-called satellites with orbit Earth, but these are human-made. Earth lies in a system of planets, known as the solar system. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These planets revolve around the Sun in our solar system, the Earth in a perfect position to support life. Beyond our solar system, we have a belt of rocks known as the Kuiper Belt. To leave our solar system, we have to cross this vast area of rocks. After the Kuiper Belt, we have another source of huge rocks known as the scattered disk. This area has been considered the source of comets coming near Earth since ages. Then, we have something called as the Oort cloud, named by scientists. It is a hypothetical area which contains possibly trillions of icy planetesimals surrounding our entire solar system. Unfortunately, no space probe or spacecraft did exit this cloud, as it would take thousands of years to do so. Things seem small in your screen, but those are really huge in reality. The heliopause is the boundary where the Sun's protective bubble of solar wind called the heliosphere significantly weakens and meets the interstellar medium. The Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft have crossed this boundary and are now in interstellar space. These are spacecrafts made by NASA. Beyond this is a place called the interstellar space, which is nothing but blank space between different star systems like our solar system. A single galaxy contains many of these star systems, and interstellar space is the blank area between them. This blank area is not totally blank. It contains dust particles, scattered gas, dust, and cosmic rays. Objects coming from other star systems, such as comets or anything other, is known as interstellar objects. Alpha Centauri and Andromeda are two of the closest star systems similar to our solar system. These millions or even billions of star systems form something called as a galaxy. The galaxy in which our solar system is present has been named the Milky Way. Maybe, by looking at this picture of our galaxy, you can understand why it was named this way. But there is not only one galaxy, there are millions and even billions or maybe trillions of galaxies, among which one is our Milky Way. And yeah, As you might have guessed, it's still not the end. All of these galaxies come together to form a universe. But it's still not found out that if multiple universes exist. It's still a mystery and scientists are trying to find more about it. The things outside this range in space is considered not to be visible to humans and their technologies. Hence, this area is known as the observable universe. There can be more wonders into the space, which we currently don't know about. Can you see anything on the screen right now? That's exactly how small you are when viewed from outside the universe. Yes, it's correct. Does that not make you think, how wonderful has God made this world? And we keep complaining about what we don't have, not even knowing the extent of things God has created for us.